Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It has been a very long time since I've done a video like this. I've been vlogging loads, not that you've seen it yet. If you don't follow me on Instagram, then you may not know that I've been away for the past 7 weeks. I was traveling around South America with my friend Laura. I got back a week ago and this is the first video that I'm sitting down to film, and I'm so excited to be filming again. I actually go away again in just over a week, so I've got a lot of filming to do basically, so I better get on with this one. I thought today I would show you guys the makeup that I actually wore, like actually realistically wore whilst traveling. I posted a video while I was away of me packing my makeup bag, this makeup bag, and this is all of the makeup that I took with me. So I thought I would show you the products that I actually used for those of you who are doing any traveling anytime soon, I don't know. Or it's just a nice everyday makeup because I didn't wear a lot. I also really missed making videos. I really missed you lot, and I'm so happy to be home and to get back into work and to get back into my routine, but I also know that I'm going away again, and it's kind of one of those weird, like, I'm in a bit of a limbo where I'm like, I really want to get back into it and get my teeth like sunk in, but also I'm like, I also need to be getting ready to go away again. I'm sorry if I don't have as many videos up as usual. I pre-filmed loads of videos before I went away. They're the ones that you guys have been seeing over the past couple of months. I pre-filmed all of those before I left. I'm basically doing the same thing for this trip, and I don't think I have as much time, but I'm gonna try my best. Let me tie up my hair and we will get cracking with some makeup. So you've probably noticed that I have broken out pretty horrifically, to be honest. If you watch my videos, if you're new, hello, please subscribe. It's down there. If you watch my videos, you know that usually I'm very lucky with my skin, but I've had some sort of reaction to something in the Amazon. We think it might be a bug repellent that we used, but my face within a day broke out so badly. So this is the kind of leftover scarring, don't mind that. So for skincare, I only took 3 products. I took my Ole Henriksen, what's it called? Glow 2O Dark Spot Erasing Toner. I'll link it down below, but I've put it in this little Saint Tropez spray bottle just for ease. Following that, I used the Ole Henriksen Truth Serum. This is a vitamin C serum. I just take 2 pumps of that. I'm trying to basically clear up this scarring as much as I can before my second trip, where I'm barely going to be wearing any makeup. Then finally, the Ole Henriksen Brightening Gel Cream. Ole Henriksen is my favourite skincare brand of the minute, and it has been for a little while now. Everything just smells amazing, which for me is like a big part. Oh, I also took my eye cream. I'm completely lying. I also took an eye cream with me. It's so sad, my face tan has already faded so much. There's the skincare. Now let me get a little bit closer to you so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, for primer, I didn't really wear a primer because I was just trying to be as quick as I could, but I did take this one with me. The Becca First Light Priming Filter, so I'll put a little bit on, but on a day-to-day basis I didn't really wear primer, but I really like how this makes my skin look and feel, so why not do it for the purpose of this vid. And as my foundation, I only took this with me. This is the Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturiser SPF 20. I am in the shade Tan, which now is actually probably a little bit dark for me, but it's quite sheer, so we'll make it work. Yesterday, I put on my Instagram stories, like, send me your, you see that, oh my God, it's so dark. Oh, I'm so pale already, this is so sad. So yesterday I put on my Instagram stories, what videos do you want to see, send me a request. The vast majority of you just said, a good old-fashioned chit chat, get ready with me, updatey kind of video, which is fine because that's what I wanted to film anyway. I just felt like telling you a little bit about my trip. Basically, we went to Colombia, Bolivia, and Peru, and we had the best time ever. The best time. Laura and I got on really, really well. I think I've left part of me in Colombia. It was like the best. I'm in love with Colombia. I want to go back, no question. We just had the best time. It was so much fun. I'm super, super sad to be home, to be honest. It's obviously nice to see Tim and it's nice to be back in the flat, and I miss my house a lot. But also I think I've caught the travel bug and I now never want to stop, which isn't the most realistic thing in the world, but it is really nice to kind of get back into my routine and everything. Yesterday I had my first PT session in 7 weeks and it was super, super, super difficult. And I do just feel like I've lost so much of the strength that I managed to build up before I went away, which is really sad. I've got 2 weeks to try and get back as much as I can before I'm off again, but I am in some serious pain today. And it's also nice like how much I missed going to the gym and stuff, because it means that it's something that I've actually incorporated like into my life, to the point where if it's not there I feel weird, you know. So that was a nice feeling. For concealer I took the NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer, and this is in the shade Medium Dark Biscuit. I ended up using a lot of this, but it's such a great concealer. It lasts really well, and it's got a really, really good coverage. So it meant that I didn't have to wear like proper foundation. I just wore a little bit of tinted moisturizer, and then I just put this wherever I needed it, and it just does all the work. Such a great concealer. This week I'm pre-filming. I basically have a week to pre-film 6 weeks worth of videos. I'm gonna try and do 7 weeks worth of videos. So do leave me a comment down below of what you want to see. I know a lot of you have said makeup tutorials, fitnessy stuff, which is quite funny because I'm no fitness guru. I'm just learning as we go as well, you know. I'll share the kind of stuff that I'm doing in the hopes that it's helpful for some of you. But let me know what else, if there's something that you're desperate to see. I'm going under the eyes with this as well. I didn't go any lighter under the eyes, I just used the same concealer because I wanted my makeup to be as fast as possible. I don't want to be wasting time doing my makeup. I wanted to be out seeing things. For powder I took my Laura Mercier in this little baby tub, and I just set really well under my eyes, my nose. Brows I kept the same as I do every single day. I used Benefit Ka-Brow. This is like a super, super miniature one, adorable, and a mini 24-hour brow set, and also some Give Me Brow. I have used the same brow products every day for years and years and years. Traveling will not change that. Initially I got my brows tinted, so I barely used any product, but they've faded now. Now honestly, a lot of the days I would literally just wear this. Like I would do a little bit of a base and then some brows and then call it a day. Next, I would obviously contour my nose because this is me we're talking about. My e.l.f. stipple brush broke, so I've been using a broken stippling brush. The bronzer I took was the Fenty Beauty Island Ting, and I just used my e.l.f. stipple brush, and honestly I just kind of whacked it on. Like I didn't really contour. It was more of just a general bronze, you know. You want to make me a tea? Really? Thanks. This is a speedy look. For my highlighter, I took my Baby Opal, which broke. I've now broken 2 Becca Opals. Work, 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 work. You make me work, 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 work. No! Ah! I obviously brought back the Frex, and I just used the same bronzer because I do get some natural freckles in the summer, so I just like to add to them. And I know this is like taking me a little while, but I could get ready in like 10-15 minutes, which if you know me, you know that that is really fast. Like super, super fast. Cute. I didn't wear any eyeshadow. I did take an eyeshadow palette. I took the Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsessions palette, and it's gorgeous. I only wore eyeshadows on a night out. I probably only did that like twice. I basically just wore clean eyelids, no concealer, nothing. And the mascara that I wore was the Damn Girl from Too Faced, but it's completely empty. So I'm just gonna use the Makeup Forever Smoky Lash Mascara, which is an oldie but a goldie. I found a tube of it in my office and I was like, I've not used that in a long time. I also had an LVL, so my lashes were really, 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 really curly, but it's worn off now, so I'm gonna have to curl my hair lashes. Okay, let me talk about a few of my highlights from the trip. So, like I said, I fell in love with Colombia. Colombia was my favorite country, definitely out of the three, primarily because the people were just so friendly. Like, honestly, just so lovely, wonderful, great time. Had so much fun. We had some really fun nights out. We went and watched a Medellin football match, which was definitely a highlight of the whole trip. It was madness, crazy fun. Everyone was just mental. It was such a good time. Climbing Machu Picchu was amazing for me, for many reasons. If you've been following my sort of fitness journey, I guess, you will know that climbing Machu Picchu was a massive goal for me. Not just to climb it, not just to get to the top, but to actually enjoy it and to not feel like I was about to pass out the whole way up. So that was amazing because I felt pretty fine, to be honest, which was really, really good. That was definitely a highlight. As was the Amazon. We went on an Amazon tour, saw monkeys and hundreds of alligators, and it was just so amazing. There's vlogs coming. You guys will see all of this. I documented literally everything, so I can't wait for those vlogs to come out. If I was feeling fancy, I would take the same bronzer and literally just run it, not even in the crease, just in the general eye area, just to warm it up a little bit. And then the lipstick I wore whenever I was wearing lipstick was this one from Huda Beauty. You've seen this a couple times on my channel. It is Interview, and it's just the perfect nude for when I've got a tan. I love this lipstick so much. And this is how I looked if I was gonna wear makeup. Let me take up my hair, which is so hugely damaged from just neglect for 7 weeks. So ladies and gents, this is how I looked every day I wore makeup while we were away, but I probably wore makeup 10 times. But yeah, these products last really well on my skin. It didn't fade. I'm quite a sweaty person, but it managed to last through all of that, which is pretty nice. It's so nice to be home. It's so nice to be filming videos for you. I have so many videos planned to film. I'm gonna try and film as many of them as I possibly can. I wish me luck. I'm gonna try my best. I really hope you guys enjoyed seeing the makeup look I've been wearing. This is a very quick video just to say, hi, I'm home. There are videos coming. Please be patient. I've got a lot of work to do in the next week. Like I said, leave requests down below. I will have a look and try and get as many of those done for you as I can. I'll also will have linked everything I've used down below. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.